Good morning, children. Welcome to VEPS e-learning class. Children, as you know, our 7th chapter, Understanding Fraction, is going on. In that, we have completed our exercise 7A, 7B, 7C and 7D also. Now, yesterday we had started topic like fraction and unlike fraction. So, once again, I am repeating this topic. Children, what is like fraction? Fraction in which the denominators are given same, they are called like fraction, and the fractions in which the denominators are different, they are unlike fraction. Examples of like fraction: 2 upon 4, 3 upon 4, 1 upon 4. So in all the fraction, 4 is same, denominator is same, so these are like fraction. And unlike fraction, we can give example: 2 upon 4, 4 upon 8, 5 upon 10. So this type of fraction in which the denominators are given different, they are unlike fraction. After like and unlike fraction, comparing of the fractions are given, in which we have to compare the fractions as we are comparing the digit, that which one is greater and which one is smaller. So same as we have to do in the fraction, we have to compare the fraction, that which one of the fraction is given, that is greater, or which one is smaller. Now children, in this there is exercise 7E is given. So in exercise 7E, which is given on page number 132, in that what we have to do, you can see, open your page 132 and see exercise 7E. So children, in this exercise we have to compare the fractions as it is given in the on page number 131, that some strips are given that we have to shade the numerator one and the total one is denominator. So in which the shaded part is more, so that fraction will be greater and the other one will be smaller. So this how we have to take out the comparison, or we have to see the comparison on the in the fractions. Now you have to complete this exercise 7E, which is given on page number 132 in your book only. So color the stripes with pencil in your book only and complete this exercise in book only. So it will be easy for you to do this questions. Now children, let's start doing exercise 7E. If you will have any problem regarding this topic or regarding this exercise 7E, you can ask me on WhatsApp group. Now be ready with your pencil. Children, please, exercise 7E you will fill with only pencil. So be ready with your book and pencil. Open page number 132, exercise 7E, and let's start it. Now exercise 7E given on page number 132. See children, here it is given, color the number of strips as per the given fraction and compare them. First you can see here 2 upon 5 and 3 upon 7 is given. And you can see that the strips are also given of 2 upon 5 and 3 upon 7. Now we will shade the numerator part. So first fraction is 2 upon 5 and 2 is the numerator. So we will shade two parts of this strips. In second fraction 3 upon 7, 3 is the numerator. So we will shade 3 part of the given strips. Now you can see, you can compare it, that this one is less than this one. Means 2 upon 5 is less than 3 upon 7. So children, according to the strips, or according to the diagram, which fraction is greater? 3 upon 7 is greater. So we will put the sign of greater than in front of 3 upon 7. So this how we have to do this type of question. You can see question number 2 is also given. 3 upon 10 compare to 5 upon 12. Now we will shade 3 upon 10 strips. 3 is the numerator. So we will shade 3 parts of this strip. Next fraction is 5 upon 12. So 5 strips we will shade it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You can see 5 strips, 5 part of this strip I have shaded. So by comparing both, which one is greater? You can see 5 upon 12 is greater than 3 upon 10. So according to the number of strips, which fraction is greater? 3 upon 10 or 5 upon 12? This one is 5 upon 12 is greater than 3 upon 10. Now question number 3, 7 upon 10 as compared to 5 upon 12. Now in the fraction 7 upon 10, 7 strips we will color or shade here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7 strips are shaded here. 5 upon 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 part of the strips we will shade here. So children, according to the strips, we can compare that which one is greater, 7 upon 10 or 5 upon 12. It is 7 upon 10. You can see this one is more or this one is greater than this strips, because here 7 parts are shaded and here only 5 parts are shaded. So according to the strips, 7 upon 10 is greater than 5 upon 12. Here you can see I have put the sign also. 7 upon 10 is greater than 5 upon 12. So children, this how only you will do it in your book with the help of pencil. Don't use pen here, because if any mistakes you will by mistake you have done any mistakes or any problem will be created. So you can rub it here because you have done with pencil. But if you will use pen, so you can't rub it that. So children, this question number 4 you can see I have not done it. This one is your homework. Now I will explain you here and you will do it by yourself. So fourth question is 8 upon 15 and 15 upon 19. So in the part 8 upon 15 you will shade here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 parts. Means here up to here you will shade. In the part 15 upon 19 you will shade how much? 15 parts you will shade. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. So up to here you will shade it. So according to the strips, which fraction is greater? You can see here is the 15 upon 19 and here is the 8 upon 15. So which one is greater? 15 upon 19 is greater than 8 upon 15. So here you will put the sign. You will show greater sign in front of 15 upon 19. So here 8 upon 15 is less than 15 upon 19, or you can say 15 upon 19 is greater than 8 upon 15. So children, this question is your homework for today, or if you will have any problem, so you can ask me on WhatsApp group. Thank you and have a nice day.